So we are starting our tour for eagle feeding, firefly watching, and root ears. Okay, so we were supposed to, board a flight at 6:25 or something, and interestingly, we arrived at the airport at 6:50, and the thing is that and the thing is that our flight was supposed to take off at 7:10. So basically, सिर्फ like we kept around 10 minutes का buffer, जिसमें मतलब like we reached airport, and मैं टाइम से रेडी हो गई थी. For your kind info, I was actually way ahead of time. Okay. मैं मतलब लाइक अपनी फ्लाइट थी 7:10 की, मैं 3:30 में आई वॉज लाइक वेरी रेडी, सुपर रेडी टू जस्ट मतलब लाइक मेरे को अगर 4:30 को भी बोर्ड कर देते तो मैं रेडी थी, इस लेवल की रेडी थी. पर एक्चुअली ये इस बार क्या है, आई एम ट्रैवलिंग विद अ वेरी पंक्चुअल पर्सन, वेरी पंक्चुअल पर्सन, सो पंक्चुअल एंड सो जेनरस कि मतलब लाइक फ्लाइट का पैसा मतलब चाहे जाए भाड़ में, मतलब लाइक शी इज़ अ वेरी जेनरस एंड वेरी पंक्चुअल पर्सन. So yeah, अभी हमें actually we kind of booked 2 wrong flights as well. Not me, my punctual friend to book 2 wrong flights, and but finally we decided कि if we want to reach where we want to reach at least on time, then it's better to catch the 9 p.m. wala flight. So this is the so we have finally boarded and hopefully will reach hopefully. Boarding is supposed to start at 12:20, and I'm not sure if we are going to make it because it's already 11:45. We have immigration and a hell lot of other formalities left. Okay, so it has been a very tiring day. I don't know if my voice is even audible. You can see the tiredness in my face. My dark circle acne also is visible. So there has been a lot that has happened. We have missed our first Indigo flight from Bangalore to Trivandrum, which we were supposed to board at fly at 7 p.m. So we had to choose another flight, which was also an Indigo flight, scheduled at 9 p.m. But it started from Bangalore at around, let's say, 2 minutes past 10. So we were very doubtful because it was clearly mentioned in our boarding pass that we should reach the boarding gate of Malaysia Airlines by 12:20 a.m. And it's good that the people of this airline were really friendly and easy as well. So yeah, it worked in our favor. And yeah, it's a very comfortable flight. They have provided us with blankets, pillows, and everything. So they say that all is well that ends well. So yeah, it's good. So see you guys in Malaysia. So this is the pillow which they have provided, and this is the blanket which they have provided. So I believe that this airline is quite good when it comes to hospitality. The people have been very cooperative so far as well. So yeah, so far it has been very good experience, I would say. So I didn't expect this, but they are apparently providing us complimentary food as well. I would have taken any chicken or egg with, but since it's Saturday, so I decided to opt for vegetarian. So let's just see what's inside. There is paratha, and I believe there must be some curry or something.
And finally, after all that circus, it's good to see you. Hi, Malaysia.
So this is the best part, waterfall aviary.